I got this multi-tool Milwaukee M18 from Home Depot. I pay $229 plus tax. It has an auto on and it has 10.8.642 speed. It came with a blade. It's a wood. It says a wood blade. Also comes with this sanding attachment and 5 sanding pads. Instructions manual and like a poster of all the tools. I'm gonna be using this one with my 8.0 M18 high output battery and see how it does. It has 1, 2, 3 LEDs. So it has this handle lever. It has this handle where you can open it, and then you turn this bolt. You can use the blade also to remove it. It's like a bolt. You take off. It has 4 magnets to attach the blade. I'm gonna use it. I have 3 bars on my battery. I'm gonna see if I can cut this 2x4. It's an old one. I'm gonna set it on auto and see if I can cut it with the new blade. It's made for wood. So that's 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. It gets quieter when you lower the speed. I'm gonna try it on 6. They did it pretty quick. It doesn't feel too heavy. Most of the weight is for the battery. It's on the battery. So here's the switch, on and off. And to remove the blade, I think you lift this handle and then turn this bolt. Well, it feels like it got stuck. So I think you can use another blade or a screwdriver, but I don't have a screwdriver with me. But I think you just turn it a little bit so when it opens up, and then you pull out the blade. So I paid $229 from Home Depot, and I use it. I'm gonna be using it to cut wood, sheetrock, and metal. I like the power. I like the weight. It doesn't feel too heavy, and it is loud, but not too loud. Like I have another one, like a quarter one, that is louder. But I like it so far. So Home Depot $229 plus tax. And the battery, only the tool, the battery I got it in another package where I bought two batteries, 8.0 and a 6.0 battery. I bought like a package deal where you can buy two batteries and a charger, and then they give you a free tool. You can watch my other videos on this battery package that I got. Thank you for watching.